Hello everyone, this video has been brought to you by unacadmy. My name is Mohit Gupta and in this video I will be talking about picture sequencing problems that are an important part of aptitude examinations. Also, if you want to watch videos on some specific topic, feel free to suggest us a topic in the comment section of this video. So let us begin with the picture sequencing problems with an example. The picture sequencing problems are of this type. There are some problem figures given and you have some answer figures. You have to continue the pattern followed in the problem figures and find the correct figure from the answer figures that will follow the pattern. So select a figure from amongst the answer figures which will continue the same series as established by the 5 problem figures. So let us examine the problem figures. On first look we see that this T structure is rotating in every figure by 90 degrees. So in the answer figure it should be rotated by 90 degrees. It should be like this. So we strike off the options that cannot be the answer. 1 cannot be the answer, 2 and 3 also cannot be the answer. 4 and 5 are probable answers. Now let us look for more patterns to select the correct answer. We see that this alphabet on the top comes to the bottom and is repeated in the next figure. Similarly, this alphabet is repeated. So in the answer figure, the alphabet V should come at the bottom and should be repeated. So we see that option 4 has this choice. So the correct answer is 4 or option D. So this is the first type of picture sequencing problems in which two patterns were to be spotted to find the correct answer. Next we have these type of patterns are tricky ones in which you have some random figures attached to a bar. So let us first see the nature of this bar which has the 4 figures. This is the starting position of this bar and we have these four figures attached to it. Now this bar is having, in the next figure it is having all the 4 patterns on the opposite side and again on this side and again on opposite side. So this pattern is followed. So in the required answer figure we should have the bar having 4 figures on this side. So let us first strike off all the options that do not have this property. We see that option 3 cannot be our answer. Next we look for patterns. We see that this square attached to a bar is moving one place at a time. So in our answer figure it should be in this position. So let us see if any of the answers matches our figure. We see that option 1 matches our figure, so that is the correct answer. So what did we do in this problem? Let us recall. We just found the pattern of the bar and we removed all the incorrect possibilities. Then we found the pattern of any one figure and followed that pattern to find the answer in the answer figures and we reached the correct answer. Let us look at one more example. In this example the same procedure has to be followed. We see that in the first box this S has been inverted and repeated in the second box, and in the third box we have this N figure inverted and repeated, and this L, same thing happens to it. So we must have this Z figure inverted and repeated. So we must have something like this. in the answer figure. So let us see what all options have this figure in the left bottom corner. So option 3 and 4 have this figure in the left bottom corner. So rest all cannot be the answers. Now let us see for one more pattern, that is each time a figure has been repeated twice, a new figure comes up. So let us see which option out of 3 and 4 has a new figure coming up. See, S has already been there as you can see in box 1, so it cannot be the answer. So the correct answer is 3 or option C. Very simple. I think you are quite comfortable with these problems now. Let us try one more. Select a figure amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series as established by the 5 problem figures. Okay. Here we are given geometric shapes. So we have a circle, then the circle gets enlarged and a triangle is inside it. Then we have a triangle, then the triangle gets enlarged and we have a square inside it. Then we have a square. So now the square must get enlarged and we must have a new figure inside it. It cannot be a triangle, it cannot be a circle, it cannot be a square. So let us see what new figure is there inside the square. So let us first strike off all the answers that do not have an enlarged square. So 2 cannot be the answer. Now let us see all the options that have these figures inside them that cannot be the answer. So this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer. Only option left is 4 that has a pentagon inside it. So the correct answer is option D. I hope you enjoyed solving these sample problems and got an idea of how to solve the picture sequencing problems. Please subscribe to the channel on YouTube, that is youtube.com/unacadmy, and more videos in this series are how to solve coding decoding aptitude problems. Watch these videos to maximize your score in aptitude examinations. Also, if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is hi_Mohit Gupta, or you can also tweet to the unacadmy, or you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching.